Hi Priya, we are Group 3 and our app name is Volunteer Hub. This is a two perspective prototype. One is volunteer and the other is manager who can create or manage events. Volunteer view will have trending events on dashboard and volunteer will be able to register for events and he or she can be communicate and challenge friends. Manager view will have creating and updating events. It will also have scheduling appointments and showing statistical analysis of the events that he or she has organized. Now we'll walk over to the prototype. So this is our prototype. If the user is not registered, he or she can sign up for the app, which will take you to the form. It's just the some information that he or she has to fill up. When you click on sign up button, it will ask you to scan your ID or upload your ID. So you can use camera to scan or gallery to upload if you have already it in your phone. Then you press on scan and continue. You will be registered. So if you press on let's go, it will take you to the volunteer dashboard. Now the top right corner has the profile photo. If you click on that, it will take you to the profile, which will have the basic information of the volunteer. It will state that the person is volunteer. It will tell you the credit level according to the events that this person has volunteered. Then this will also show the skills of the person. The interesting fact here is the friend list. So it will show the status whether it's online or offline for that friend. If you click on the friend, it will take you to the profile of that person. Again, it's the same information like we have in the profile. And then there is a small message button at the bottom on clicking on which will take you to the chat screen so you can communicate with the volunteers. Then you can click on logout option to logged out from the app. Then you can use login as volunteer. You can use Twitter or Facebook. So let's use Twitter and it will take you to the dashboard. Now further explanation will be given by Manvir.
Hi, my name is Manvir and I will be continuing the demo. This is the main page for the volunteer side. Here they can go to their profile. This is the name, the title. The color used for this is the Pantone color of the year 2020. We didn't wanted to use the traditional black. And in the bottoms you will see the most trending events nearby and depending on how many people have selected them. In the bottom, the events are subdivided into sections so that you can go to them and depending on your interest. In the above, you can see this is a horizontal layout, a horizontal scrolling. This is because like most of the people who did the survey, the people who wanted to volunteer, they were mostly younger and we wanted to make it more modern. That's why we use the scrolling horizontal with the background animation. You can go to these events through these or you can go through the subsections. Here in the subsection you can see that you can find an event through four different options. The first one is going with the barcode. By going with the barcode there will be a separate barcode generated for each event which you can scan here and go directly to it if somebody wants to make it a private event. The other options are you can use it by the search bar, which was made with the soft UI element. The other two options are the direct list of the events, or you can use the map to find the activities nearby. So in the map, you can see your own location and you can see which one is the nearest or the one near the beach. When you click on the event, you will see the rating and the title of it. On clicking the title, you will be taken to the page of the event. Here you can see the age group, the rating by the other volunteers, You can see the credit you will receive. So to give an additional motivation factor to people, depending on the how difficult it is. More difficult it is, you will get more credit. The number of hours it will take, and a brief description of what you will be doing. Once you click on the register now, you will see the details of what you have selected, the time, the date, location, and the description. The another thing here interesting here is that you can also ask your friend to join, so you can compare each other credit level. Once you click on them, you send a request to them. After this, you can go to the dashboard through this. The rest will be shown by my friend Siddhesh.
Okay, so I'll be walking you through the management perspective. Let us log in as a manager, and here we have an option to log in via email or via social networks. We'll proceed with social networks as of now. So here we are on the management dashboard. Here's the manager profile. We don't have an option to send a message or see our online friends here, just to keep it simple. Other than that, these are some of the basic functionalities that the manager can use. And we have a quick actions panel here. This has not been implemented as of now, but we think these are the essential features that we would like to add into our app. Let's go ahead and create a new event. So these are some of the basic details that you need to fill in, and then we create an event. Other than that, a manager can also manage the events, where these are all the upcoming events. As we see, it has an option to remove the event or update the event. So in update event, if you change any date or time of the event or location, it will notify all the volunteers. So let's update the event. We have updated the event. The other option is to view the trends, which shows us the number of volunteers that have participated in the month of December, out of which 77% are the existing volunteers and 23% were the new volunteers. We also have an option to schedule appointments, where you will see upcoming appointments that we have and the time. We also have a small event list here. So that's all for our management view. And as mentioned in the report, all three of us have contributed equally for this project. Manvir has implemented messages, challenges, volunteer dashboard, barcode, and scan code. Siddhesh has implemented profile, map integration, sign up registration forms, and manage events. Slesha has implemented login, manager dashboard, appointment, and trends. For surveys and report, we have all contributed equally. That's all. Thank you.